Ready to unlock exclusive financial benefits? Let's dive into how to become a USAA member, exploring eligibility and the straightforward steps to join the USAA family. To get started, let's confirm if you're eligible. USAA primarily serves those with military affiliations. The main groups that qualify include active duty military members of the U.S. Armed Forces, Army, Navy, Air Force, Marine Corps, and Coast Guard veterans who have honorably served, and in some cases, those who are retired eligible family members, specifically spouses and children of those in active military, veterans, and those who had a parent who was a USAA member. Even unremarried former spouses of USAA members are sometimes eligible. Assuming you meet the criteria, the joining process is user-friendly. Visit the USAA website, look for the Join USAA button, or a similar option on their homepage. Click the Join button and you will be prompted to provide some information. You'll be asked to provide details to verify your eligibility, such as your military status or relationship to a current member. Once you've successfully validated your eligibility, fill out the new member application. Complete all required fields accurately. This includes providing personal information, contact details, and details regarding the products or services you are interested in, such as banking, insurance, or investments. Submit your application. After submitting, you'll usually receive a confirmation, and in most cases, you can immediately access the USAA benefits you signed up for. Welcome to the USAA family.